Hi, Ben Bach here. I just wanted to put together a quick video about my concerns of so many of these distressed homeowners just giving up their homes, walking away, short selling their homes for, or for whatever reason. I understand that many of these people feel they can't afford their home, or their homes rather, and I know that the banks are hard to work with, but there's a way around all that. I think people they leave their homes or walk away from them for a variety of reasons. I think it's mainly based on bad advice, whether it's from their friends, their family members. I see an awful lot of realtors out there that tell people their best bet is to short sell their home. I see attorneys that give bad advice too. And of course, if you call the servicer's call center, the person you talk to on the phone is going to tell you that you need to short sell your home or catch it up, and catching it up is impossible, and so many people take that as what needs to be done, when in fact a loan modification is probably going to be your best bet. Now, if you have cash or you can get private money, if you're not too far behind and haven't messed up too bad, maybe you can refinance it if your credit's not completely shot. But generally, it's going to be a loan modification. I haven't seen many people get free homes going through the court system, so hiring an attorney will take you just only so far, and in the end, you're going to have to be able to pay for your home one way or the other. I've seen maybe a couple people go through the court system and get their home for free. Maybe I've heard of a couple others, maybe, but it's rare. To get a loan modification, I can hear it now. Oh, I've tried that. The bank kept losing my paperwork. I had to keep faxing stuff, and then you might sit for 6, 8, 10, 12 months waiting for an answer. Then when you get the answer, they'll tell you, well, you can't get a loan modification or whatever it may be. It's frustrating, it really is, but there's a way to do it. And recently I discovered REST Report. REST is an acronym for Real Estate Services and Technology. It's a software program that's similar to what the bank uses. It will determine, once information is put into the software program, it will determine which programs you're eligible for, whether they're government or in-house bank programs, and determine the terms and the payment that you're going to have. I see this as the answer for the majority of people in foreclosure, or that are defaulting, or are having problems with making their mortgage payment. This is something they can do before they get in deep trouble. Just do a loan modification and keep your home. Some people don't want to keep their homes. I understand that. But if it's because of what's owed on it, I believe that's adjustable. In my opinion, I've had a couple that I've worked with recently that had a HAMP loan modification that they defaulted on. Once they called the bank and tried to get back on track, the bank says you can't get another loan modification. And they came to me, and we got them a loan modification. Once everything was faxed in, I think it was about somewhere between 2 and 3 weeks, we had an answer that they had been approved for a new loan modification. So it's doable. I don't care how hard the case, I'm willing to take it and try it. It doesn't cost you anything for us to find out generally what kind of direction, get an idea of what we can do. There's certain criteria, the information that I need, and we'll do a quick little analysis of it and determine if there's something there or not. It doesn't cost you anything for that, and generally what we do when we do this is we'll also do a 3-way call with you to the servicer to get up-to-date information and analyze it again after that. So there's no charge for this. It give you some direction. If you know there's nothing there, then you can move on. But I believe that the majority of people would benefit from trying to do a loan modification using a REST report. The report, once the software is run and there's a report generated, there are certain pages that will apply to the modification that you qualify for, and those pages are submitted along with your your modification application and the supporting documents. So it's not a big deal. It's a do-it-yourself thing. I'll walk you through. I'll work with you. A lot of it I do myself. I actually invite people over to my home to fax it from my home, so it's really not a problem. But I just want to encourage you to, if you're wanting to keep your home, I can't imagine giving up my home. Some people are probably in the same boat as me. They don't want to give up their home either. But I would encourage you to look into this. Please contact me. You can contact me by email. The information is available right on this page with this video. So I'm looking forward to hearing from you. So good luck to you, and hope to hear from you.